Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the FastPay Wallet app is and how it's positioned. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. FastPay Wallet is a mobile finance app listed on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store as a digital wallet for managing everyday payments and transactions. Official store descriptions indicate it allows users to send and receive money, perform mobile and internet recharges, and pay for purchases at stores using QR codes or other cashless methods. Verified features include depositing and withdrawing funds, transferring money to other accounts, and purchasing online cards for digital services. The app could also support mobile data and utility recharges as documented in official store information. FastPay Wallet may be useful for users who want a single interface to handle cashless payments, peer-to-peer transfers, and quick top-ups for airtime or data. For people interested in a wallet with standard finance tools like transfers and QR payments, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.